It's a little tiny tortoise. Probably a Hermann's tortoise, very common here in Bulgaria and the Black Sea. And you can see there, that's the rear end. And then there's he's hiding in there, look at his little legs there. You can just see his face in the back. But very, very sweet indeed, tiny little thing. Very light, of course, compared to that he's trying to get there. And lovely patterns on the base there. There we are, lovely little tortoise. Beautiful. In the wild in Bulgaria, on the Black Sea.